Well, here's how we're getting on today. I've had Peter's van in this morning for a maintenance wash, and then it was back onto this. I got a bit of it done last night, as I showed you, but got stuck in today. Still got some refining to do, but the difference is quite a lot from what it was. Started to come up nice. Of course, my flatting bucket and flatting paper, they get lonely if I don't get them out at least once a week. So it just has to be done. But the results do really speak for themselves. You know, it's try and make you know, a not very good paint job look reasonable. If I could have had the car for a bit longer, I could have gone even further and got it dead flat, but that isn't what the customer wants. Obviously, it's because this is a sales car, everything's price based, so we can only do what we're allowed to do. But I'll still go out my way to make it exceed his expectations, because that's how we roll. There's still plenty to do, but you can see for yourself the difference. Them arches are just immense, iconic. It'll look nice when it goes out. It'd better do, else I'm wasting my time. So there you go. That's what I've been up to today. Quite pleased so far. So I'll show you more when I've done it. See you later. I've literally just finished the polishing of the Lancia. Every panel required wet flatting, but it's now got some gloss. You know, I mean, it is glossy, I will say that. It's been hard work getting round it, but you know, it looks a different car to what it did when it came in, which is what we're all about, really. You know, it's you want the cars to look miles better. This wasn't in for a premium, you know, 4 or 5 stage polish, but it's still, you know, had to have plenty of attention with the wet flatting. I'm pretty pleased how it's come out, and I'm sure the owner's going to be pleased. So I'm going to clean it up tomorrow. You know, clean the wheels, tyres, windows, put a coat of sealant on it, and then it's good to go. So there we have it. And that's what's been happening today, really. So see you probably tomorrow on another one, if we've got anything to show you. Thanks for watching the videos, and I hope you enjoy them. See you later. Okay guys, here's the Lancia now it's finished. Being collected later today. Thought I'd just give it a final little video. And unless you've seen it when it arrived, this was really, it looked like a matte white car. So it is looking like a proper car now. It's been wet flatted and polished, and looks a million times better. There you go. Another winner from the Devil's in the Detail. See you on the next one.